Another week, another speed vlog, and we are blessed because it's a beautiful day. Veda dropping me off at the airport.
My hair's bazonkers today.
It's Monday. Tomorrow is Title Tuesday. Then the day after that is Title Wednesday.
No.
No.
The day after that is.
The day after
that is nothing, because that would imply that you're pre-taping Collision Homecoming, which will air on Saturday.
That's right. Which we are.
Which you are.
Which we are.
So I want to have a question.
Yes.
Why aren't you getting a title on? Why aren't you getting a title shot on Title Tuesday?
I think we can make that happen. I think we should make our own title. I think that JetSpeed Babes, aka JetSpeed with the power, me, Kevin, and Willow should have championships.
All of them.
All of them.
Every one of them.
Yes, we should. We could. All the trios championship. I could get the world championship, and Kevin could get the unified championship. And
Willow could be TNT champion. She could be TBS champion again. She could hold them all. I think. Why couldn't Willow be world champion? Honestly.
Right. I completely agree. And Veda?
You got little hairs in your ears. Not growing, you got a haircut today.
I did. I got a haircut. What do you guys think of my haircut? Rate my haircut 1 through 10. All right, let's go. Good morning, friends. It's Tuesday, and you might not know what that means. That's okay. It's Title Tuesday, but usually it's Dynamite is on Wednesday. But this week is an exception, a different week. I've got some good news. Good news, the Jags won last night. Go Jags. We're in Jacksonville. We're back in Florida this week. And I've got a full day ahead, so I'm just taking a little walk to get some coffee. Okay. All right, we're here at Everbank Stadium, and I've got the Jacksonville Jaguar. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. I wonder if I can get one for my house. I'll look into buying this one because it's awesome. All right, show day, let's go. Hold on, Kevin. What'd you just say?
We're here in Duval. We're here in Jacksonville. And recently, I just learned Jacksonville is named after the famous Confederate president, Andrew Jackson. So I'm not sure if you're too up on American history, but he didn't really like us too well.
So from my knowledge of American history, a city being named after a racist president is the most American thing that could possibly happen. But it's not, as far as we're concerned, it's not Jacksonville. This is Bold City.
Bold City
right there. And you see, this is Armuro well represented. We got JetSpeed right here. That's you with the sunglasses.
Okay.
We got Stokely right here.
Your little Stokely right there. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. There's this Hangman's the world champ, but Moxley? I don't know.
Yeah. He does look like he would play the some type of bone. You know what I mean?
The bone guitar. You know, the bone guitar.
3 strings.
Yeah. You're just back from France.
Yes. On arrivé du France. I don't know if I said that right or what.
On est arrivé de France. Yeah, close enough.
Something like that.
It's a little bit weird. Like the grammar's a little bit off, but the idea is there. I get what you mean. You just got back from France. I get that, and that's all we need.
I saw the Eiffel Tower. I had a couple croissants. Went to the patisserie.
Yes.
And boulangerie. Mm-hmm. I had steak, the frites.
Steak frites, yes. Steak can't miss it. The pepper sauce.
Pepper sauce.
Sauce au poivre.
Yes. Magnifique. But next time I go there, I need you by my side. There was clamoring.
I am always down to go to France. I got a very old vlog on this channel where I basically I didn't wrestle in France, I wrestled in Belgium for BZW.
Okay.
But basically what happened is I landed in France, and then the first day we just ate. Ate food all day. It was fantastic. And then the next day we drove to Belgium, did the show. And then the next day I did a seminar. It was great times.
Ooh, but I
ate a lot. Yeah, that's perfect. Well done. And we said we'd be speaking more French on this vlog. Queen Aminati's not here, so we're going to have to find other francophones. But your French pretty good. You're doing great.
I learned the McDonald's was different out there too. That's what I wanted to tell you. There's no plastic. No plastic where the food was fresh. Because I would never touch McDonald's in the States. No offense.
Same.
No offense.
Same. I never touch McDonald's worldwide unless I absolutely have to. There is always a better option. It is very, very rare.
C'est
like at the bottom of I need to eat something, it's gonna be 7-Eleven, get a protein bar, like one of those Core Life shakes and like a string cheese or something.
String cheese.
Yeah. You know, you need some like nutrition. It can't just be all chocolate and protein snacks.
Right. But yeah, I love Francaise. I would love to go back.
Let's go. Okay.
JetSpeed is international, baby.
Yeah. And speaking of international, there is no less international city than Jacksonville. This is extremely national. And we've got some big business right here in Jacksonville, Daly's Place.
Yeah.
Tonight, it's Title Tuesday. We're just watching, we're just hanging out. We're going to film a little something. Tomorrow's the 6-man tag. So we got to get in the right mindset.
See y'all later.
All right, so we gotta regroup. We got a game plan because tomorrow's the big one.
It's the biggest one.
Yeah. So I've tagged with Speedball before.
Okay. Really?
Me and Mark. We did a trios.
Oh, that's right, we did.
Yeah.
Yes, we did. In San Antonio, El Paso.
Maybe.
I
was like, I don't remember where. I just know that it happened.
I remember because there was sand in my shoes.
I was like, there was some.
Not during the match.
Sand in your shoes. That's like that was like a book that I read when I was a kid. I think it was about like a basketball player or something.
Damn.
Anyway.
Was it good?
I mean, I remember it in my adulthood, so.
It left an impact at least.
See, when we restart this book club, I feel like we gotta put that in there.
Gotta put the children's books.
Children's books. We can't forget about the kids. But yeah,
wait, are you guys starting a book club?
Yeah.
You trying to join?
Yeah, I'm in. Let's
do
go.
it.
Let's start a book club.
Soon.
So I'm more of an audio book guy.
That's
That
okay.
works.
You can still converse with us.
Okay, good.
As long as you're bringing the notes, you know what I'm saying? As long as you bring, some snacks for the group.
Okay, I like snacks. I'm a big snack guy.
Right.
Not that big of a notes guy, honestly. Okay. I took 0 notes
Mental
all
notes.
through high school. Yeah,
You look
okay.
like
yeah.
that type of guy, to be honest.
Yes.
See me, I gotta highlight everything. I gotta write into my books. I gotta do everything because I'ma forget. But we do have to get ready for this match coming up soon. It's a lot going on. I've never been in a ring with Megasis.
I have. I had a singles match with Megan at GCW. Maybe 1 year ago, or just over a year ago. And very, very tall, very strong.
Yes.
So we're gonna do.
But you got the power.
I do have the power. But she does as well. But I got it.
I trust and believe in Willow.
Thank you.
You know,
I believe in you, Kev.
I really appreciate it. It's still all new to me. So I'm not really trying to put my hands on Megasis, but if I see something, I'm gonna tag you in.
But I think the fact that we have to believe, arms outstretched, ready to receive when we believe, and I think that's what's most important. So it's in the bag for tomorrow.
Yes.
Cat.
We're gonna do that.
Cat. All right, Dynamite. No, not Dynamite. Title Tuesday, maybe both, is going on right now. Just started, and I had the very, very big love-hate relationship with the apples from catering because, okay, sometimes, as you can see with this one, they are.
Hey, what are you doing? How cute! You're doing a vlog?
Yeah.
Your little thing. Oh, good luck with that, bud. Good luck with that.
Yeah, a vlog.
All right, let's go get her.
Okay. Well, now I feel bad. Good morning, friends. It's Wednesday, and we're taping Collision. My world is upside down, but we are back inside the home of the Jacksonville Jaguars, and today is going to be a great day. Mixed trios action. JetSpeed Babes take on. They called themselves Top Gods in their promo yesterday, which I thought was just weird, and I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. So we're gonna have to get that dub today, get the big win, and make them regret giving themselves such a horrible nickname.
Actually pretty impressive, yeah. That's right.
I didn't see it. Didn't see it because I was really. I just wanted to make sure that you guys made it to the locker room.
Oh, we did, yeah. Thanks for the guidance. We appreciate it.
Real far, very far.
Uncle Speedy was chewing for like 5 minutes. He was like, But where's the locker room, Uncle Speedy?
I am a passionate eater.
Yeah, oh, that's for sure.
Do with that what you will.
Hey, me too.
That turkey sandwich was popping.
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah, I've heard that you're a passionate eater.
That's right. You like sushi.
Yeah. Many have called him a munch.
Just glad you guys are safe. Perfect. Hold on. Because, so
That's him.
This is
The
what's
number.
going on. This is
You
what's
see?
going on. Yes.
That's what's going on.
Hold on, we
need to team up.
We do.
We need to
do.
stay together.
But also,
Yeah.
Double fill?
Wait, no, don't do that to us.
Yeah, we can't triple vlog.
You
Come
can't-
on, no,
you can't-
no,
you're
yeah,
cheating.
no,
Yeah,
yeah.
Even
You
though
already,
you're number one.
you already have a head start. Well, BT is number one.
No, BT has
BT.
more subscribers. I did beat them 1 week in views.
1 week.
what about Thunder Roses?
You're supposed to be with us.
Well,
Tu parles
yeah.
français, tu
Oui,
parles
oui.
français. Voilà, on est ensemble.
Hey, voilà, chez toi, man. Sammy Guevara.
I'm getting dizzy
Oh,
over
yeah,
here.
tu peux
What's going
comprendre.
on? What's going on?
Donc,
Francophone ici.
tous mes commentaires étaient
Ben
comme,
oui.
oh, on veut plus de vlogs en français.
Voilà.
Il faut parler plus en français.
ça me tente pas
Comme ça, on
pantoute,
pourra
là.
avoir plus de vues. Donc,
Tente
Sammy
pas
Guevara, non.
Ah oui, c'est mon
Whoa,
ami, lui,
guys.
Sammy, Mike.
Whoa. Silencio, guys. That means silence in Spanish, in case you don't know.
Silence.
How do you say
Silence.
blood and guts in Spanish?
Femme ta gueule.
Blood and guts in Spanish.
How do you say blood and guts in
Do you know femme ta gueule?
Yeah, ferme ta gueule.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That means shut the
Up.
What is happening? I think, guys, honestly, for all the vlogs, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, go subscribe to my vlog, Sammy Guevara on YouTube.
Do you know what happened to me yesterday?
What?
I was vlogging and the young bucks just walked behind me and they're like, Speedball's doing his little vlog, and they walked away laughing.
What?
They just laughed at me.
They are number one.
Well,
It
you
was
know what
making me
though?
very sad.
Since we're here,
Yes.
we're number 3 and number 4.
Yeah.
Subscribe to us.
Boom, go subscribe. They're great.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're entertaining.
We're juicy, more than great.
Boom, juicy. Juicy. That's like a term of endearment, I think.
So
What is endearment?
I don't know how to translate
Well,
endearment.
I'm French. African,
so-
so.
The unfortunate thing about juicy is that in French it is not a good word. You know how people say moist in English is bad? I think juteux
Juicy is like the equivalent of moist.
Juteux doesn't sound appealing. Doesn't sound endearing.
I don't want it to sound endearing anyways. I want it to sound juicy.
Yeah, actually, I
Juicy
saw
is
you guys
fine. I like
vlogging, and I wasn't even vlogging. I just saw it, and I got jealous, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna just.
We
vlog.
have to do it.
and get the trifecta going.
This is really cool though.
Yeah.
I love
Yeah.
it.
No, I love it.
Let's vlog. Just subscribe to all of them. Subscribe to all the
subscribe
vlogs.
to everybody,
Every single
see all the
vlog.
different angles of what's happening.
I feel like a little cutscene.
All right. JetSpeed babes, riding in
Hear
style.
us?
Riding, baby.
Can they even hear us over the?
So this camera has a very good mic, so I think so.
What's this? A V2? A V2 engine?
I think it's weird.
Whoop.
I find talking about things like that or other than wrestling
What are you?
Get out the way.
is actually
See us rolling.
Toot toot.
They
the
hate
sign says you gotta hit a toot toot before you turn the corner.
Is that a selfie?
No, it was not a selfie. I was just making sure I got a picture of this guy.
You know what I should remember to do that I always forget? We should take a photo in front of this statue so I can actually use it as a vlog thumbnail.
Yes.
Or I mean, I could just take one of the photos that are gonna be taken during the match tonight, which is the main event of Collision.
Yes.
Title Wednesday? No, Homecoming.
There we go.
There it is.
Yesterday was Title Tuesday, right?
Yes. yes,
Not
yes.
Tombsday.
I mean,
Nothing
I
to do
think
with
technically
Tuesday.
they're both homecoming because it's Jacksonville in general over at Daly's place.
Right.
But
This is our first time at Daly's.
Yeah.
Place. We know
this
you
is your
got-
first time at Daly's place.
Yes, it is.
It's cool.
You're-
I actually almost brought my roller skates because it's like our locker room situation is in the like football arena, and then Daly's place is like a little bit out on the outskirts of it.
I should have brought a scooter.
Yeah, and there's a lot of back and forth.
You on to something. I could have brought mine.
You're a
too.
roller skate guy. I'm a roller blade gal.
Okay,
But
No discrimination. No discrimination.
no, what you do is harder.
But we got my man's right here, Mr. Jag.
Does he have a name?
Let me see the back of your jersey. It just says Jaguar.
He's number one.
He's number
Forgive us
one.
for not knowing.
Right. That's a big guy.
When the Jag-man testifies, a faithless man believes. I don't know, it's called the Jag-man.
The Jag man.
And I started singing the Jazzman song from The Simpsons that I'm not even sure is a real song.
Well, you're dropping knowledge on us.
You are.
It's not knowledge, you're dumber for knowing that now.
No.
Sorry guys. Okay, let's get ready for this match. Okay, it's time. We've been talking about it for weeks. And now we're finally doing it, finally get it in the ring with FTR, Megan Bayne, Penelope, Lil Strongley, whatever his name is.
I can't even remember. Stokely, I don't know. But I know he hit the baby gap because I see a new tracksuit on him tonight. So we're going to bring the work.
Let's baby gap it up.
Let's do it. Yes.
I don't know. We'll see if we get her back. We lost Willow.
We lost Willow.
But that's okay. We're on our own now.
Right.
It's just JetSpeed. And at Wrestle Dream, Tailgate Brawl, it's going to be back to 2-on-2.
You know, tonight, FTR brought the fight. I still didn't see Lil Stokely with any holes. He said he had one backside with him, but I'm sure he gave us some bread. I'm sure he threw a little cash on the side, so I'm still not satisfied with the result.
The most disappointing part of FTR to me, as a concept, as a unit, is how just straight up good they are at professional wrestling. And how much, when they do what they do, they fucking shine.
They do.
And you know that JetSpeed versus FTR would just be a straight up fucking banger of a tag team pro wrestling contest.
Of course it will. Of course. But can we do without the shenanigans, Speedball?
But can we please do without the goddamn shenanigans? Can we do without Lil Stokely? Can we do without crutches and pulling the ref's leg and
Penelope, Megan, baby powder? Where we get? I know you didn't get that through TSA. So we over here smuggling products to the venue now too. So FTR, Lil Stokely, and company, please leave the games at home.
Hey, speaking of games, we got Kansas City coming up.
Right.
That's going to be the last game. Very excited to see what happens there.
Right.
Very excited to see how things play out leading up to Wrestle Dream.
They call Kansas City Title Town. So they do. I don't know. I'm not sure if you know. If you up on Cam and Mace, it is what it is. I'm gonna give them a little culture lesson real quick.
I know that it was Kansas City, the Chiefs versus the Eagles. In the only Super Bowl that I watched. I was in Philly. Watching that one, being a Lehigh Valley resident. It's Go Birds all day, day.
Did you at least get a Philly cheese while you was out there? What's it called?
Yeah, Philly cheesesteak.
Philly cheese.
I don't think I did, but I was in Philly. No, chopped cheese is New York.
Damn, my bad.
Get your cheese sandwiches right, Kevin. Come on.
My bad. Damn. Let me get my geography right. But still, Kansas City, Missouri, Wrestle Dream, FTR, JetSpeed. It's up.
JetSpeed up. All right, JetSpeed up. And we are back once again. Completed a full loop. A week worth of. Are you using my camera as a mirror?
Well, it's like noon, and I just realized I don't think I've looked in a mirror today.
Well, you look very beautiful. You look gorgeous.
The allergies are kicking my ass.
Oh boy.
I look very puffy.
All right, well, let's go take a nap because I'm very tired.
You got glitter on you. I think that's that Megasis glitter, honestly.
Oh boy.
She's very glittery.
Oh boy, she's very covered in glitter. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. Let's go.